Guys, today let's try and understand the basic structure of the IELTS exam and its origin and things like that. As you know fully well, IELTS stands for International English Language Test System. International English Language Test System. This was founded by the University of Cambridge, a British university, one of the oldest and most prestigious universities in the world. And the curriculum is the most impressive, authoritative curriculum on English language in the whole world. So much so that IELTS exam has the widest acceptance in the whole world. Nearly 3,000 universities and multinational companies accept the IELTS score as the most important criterion for selection. Even if you have a PhD or an IAS from India, it is practically no value abroad. The most valuable qualification for us when you go abroad is nothing but IELTS. So let us all try and score a high band in IELTS. So the structure of this exam is simple, yet comprehensive. See, there are two types of IELTS exams. One is called IELTS Academic. This is meant for professionals like doctors, engineers, lawyers, managers, teachers. And then you have students also. IELTS General, which is meant for people of other vocations like chef, driver, plumber, electrician, things like that. And for those who are trying to just immigrate, okay, for immigrants, IELTS General may be enough. This is not our topic of interest. Our topic of interest is the structure of this exam. As you know, there are 4 modules. You have speaking, writing, reading, and listening. See, in India, we believe that communication is all about speaking. That's not the case. Communication has different fashions. Speaking is just one of them. You have speaking, writing, reading, listening, etc. So let's try to understand each one of these modules. The speaking module is the shortest module in the IELTS exam. It comprises of 3 parts. Part 1 is an introductory part where you get to know each other. The interviewer may ask you some questions about your career and some general questions. This may take 5 minutes. This is followed by a cue card presentation. A cue card is simply a card. Cue means clue, where a topic is written with some sub-questions. This card is given to you. You are given 1 minute to prepare and you have to speak fluently and continuously for 2 minutes. This is followed by a discussion round, which will span 5 minutes. The topic could be the same as the one given for cue card presentation, or it could be different. It's a choice of the examiner or the interlocutor. In IELTS, we use the term interlocutor instead of examiner. Okay? Now, the second component is what is known as writing. It spans 1 hour. So there are 2 main components to this. One is an essay writing, for which you're given 45 minutes and you have to write 250 words. So this is called essay writing. This is followed by, for academic stream, IELTS Academic, a graphical presentation will be given to you and you're supposed to write 150 words in 15 minutes. So 15 plus 45, 1 hour is the duration. Those who are appearing for IELTS General will have an essay and a letter writing instead of graphical representation. They have to write a letter. It may be a formal letter or an informal letter. Okay. Coming to our listening component, listening module, you are given opportunity to listen to 4 sound clips, each one of 15 minutes duration. Before playing the sound clip, you are given the question sheet You can read through the question sheet, you will get time to read through. And you have to answer questions like fill in the blanks, choice, selecting the best choice and things like that. And the total time given for one audio clip, including listening, answering, reading question paper, etc., is 15 minutes. 15 minutes into 4, 1 hour duration. Coming to our reading for IELTS academic, passages are given, 3 passages of 20 minutes duration. You have to read through the passage and answer the questions behind the passage. Questions could be objective type, it could be giving a title to a paragraph and things like that, anything. So 20 minutes into 3 essays, and you have to answer questions behind each essay. Each essay may have 13 questions. So overall you will have 40 questions to be answered within 1 hour from 3 different essays. And for IELTS general, you are given much lighter, simple essays. Please note, for academic people, research articles are given, so it is relatively tough. And for IELTS general, they give you some simple notices, brochures, flyers, things like that. So it's very simple. But then you have to answer questions from 4 different essays or 4 different articles. These are simple articles. So each one will have 10 questions each, 10 into 4, 40 questions to be answered over 1 hour, 15 minutes for each passage. And these passages are actually simple. It may be a menu card with a little bit of narration. It may be a college notice board with a notice. It may be a promotional flyer of an institution, whatever. So it's simple enough. So this is your IELTS exam. Please note, the speaking module alone is 13 minutes to 15 minutes in duration. Other 3 modules are 1 hour in duration. Thank you very much.